All we're going to do again, so this is a perfect example. I mean, it's a brand new piece of pipe. So instead of going out into the field and having it sandblasted and painted, which will be a lot more expensive than what we're getting ready to do, we're going to move over halfway. So each time that we make a loop on here, we'll be halfway around. I'm going to take this, we're pulling it tight, and we're keeping going, you know, halfway until we work our way all the way around. Do you have?
There are, I guess there are some, even if you have really well after, I think, too, but then there's some other product that goes over top. There we go.
There.
On the roads.
So you can see from here, because this was only 2-inch, we had an overlap of halfway, but you can see there's a lot of protection there. I mean, you can feel that and see how much protection there is on that section of pipe. There's no curing, there's no any of that stuff that goes on like the GRR that we're getting ready to do. You have a cure time, that's only 30 minutes. And 30 minutes is as hard as you can ask it to be, which is another important thing. So really user-friendly, I have to say. And then again, if you're doing, even on this 6-inch pipe, normally I wouldn't say use a 2-inch wrap. I would say go ahead and use your 6-inch wrap and then just come back. And again, if you want to make it to where it overlaps all the way up to within 1 inch, you can do that just to make sure that it's nice and thick, depending on what you're wanting to do with it. So.
And they have the paste